captain actually doesn't get to look out the windscreen.
So this here is our top light system. So it's a optical and forward-looking infrared camera miles away. So about the same time to be able to see on radar. So it gives us a very good range of focus. We have other sensors to try and determine the location position.
What engine have you got?
They've got MAN V184s. Still be able to provide power to the ship. So it adds a... From here, so we'll head back down and finish our tour of one deck, and then proceed back onto the quarterdeck table.
Yeah, you got it right.
Helmet, our life jackets, and then from there we'll proceed out to the quarterdeck to get up. So a big part of our